Usually, this question is asked because we are always looking at any kind of relief through some kind of an external input. दवाई खाएंगे तो कितनी देर में हमारे शरीर में फैल के असर करता है, आप ये बात, क्योंकि दिस साइकोलॉजी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम the base that we have created, that medicine is a solution of something, so how fast it will act. दर्द है तो कितनी देर में मेरा दर्द ये ठीक कर देगा. Now कुंभक is something which is your mechanism only. आपके शरीर का ही mechanism है. You do kumbhak every day from morning till evening. Without kumbhak you can't even move your body. You hold your breath to regulate your movement. The only thing is you are creating an external trigger using your kumbhak, or using kumbhak you always create an external impact or a little regulation of your voluntary movement. Now the organs are involuntary in nature. That means they do not function under your control. Now what we are trying to do is we are creating a trigger towards your involuntary function. The moment you do kumbhak, it starts working from that moment, not even a 1 second delay. It is not medicine. Let me tell you, it is not medicine which will go inside. There is a pharmacokinetics, there is a pharmacodynamics, and then your body, every medicine destroys your body. Do you know this? So, because it is not food. So, liver gets impacted the moment you take something which is not your food. But kumbhak is your internal mechanism. So, without a second delay, it starts its action. But the thing is, the problem is you start hitting a stone. How long will it take to break depends on what kind of momentum of disease or difficulty you have created in your life or within the body, knowingly or unknowingly. There is a momentum of disease in the body, in every human's body. That is how disease happens. So there is a momentum of that. There is a force of that disease. So when you work towards reversing it, some may be able to reverse it within few days, every day working upon it. A stone can break in 10 hits also, or if the stone is big, it might take 50 hits also, 100 hits also. So the benefit you will get immediately the moment you start doing homework. What is the first thing that you'll see? Sudden rise of, sudden you will become more alive. The energy level of your body will increase. Your symptom, difficulties in your life will start sleeping well. You'll start liking any work. You would want to do something. You would want to act. The other symptoms, pain factor of your body will come down. The difficulty, or if you are in stress, your mind is in certain state, you'll see suddenly it will get relieved. So in terms of symptom, slowly and steadily, you'll see all your symptoms will go down. The moment your symptoms or the problem goes off, suddenly one day, that is how participants in our program, they send us suddenly, oh, I am positive. So one day, suddenly your problems have gone, and you'll see, you will be able to conceive. For some people, it will take 1 month. Some people, it will take 3 months. But some people, it will take 6 months. You tell me, we have used a lot of fertilizers in our land, and the land has got barren, isn't it? जमीन हमारी खराब हो गई है ना, तो अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? What are we doing now? We are trying to revive, go towards organic farming. जैविक खेती की तरफ जा रहे हैं ना हम सारे के सारे. जैविक खेती कोई नई चीज नहीं. It is not a new thing. That is how it was when we were not using fertilizers. Consumption was natural when we were not in chemical usage. 100 years back, consumption was not even a problem. Nobody used to think about it. Very rare, there used to be very rare incidences where a lady would not be able to conceive. Otherwise, it was pretty common. So, पहले तो जैविक खेती अभी जैसे शुरू कर दिया ना, पानी, रिवाइवल ऑफ रिवर्स एंड वाटर रिसोर्सेस. अभी बताया, वित्तिका बोल रही थी ना, ह्यूमन फार्मिंग, ऑर्गेनिक ह्यूमन फार्मिंग कब शुरू करना है? It is not just required for the next generation for consumption. It is required for you at this point of time. आपको जीना कैसा है? So organic human farming is the priority at this point of time. ये करेंगे तो हम बाकी सब चीजें रिवाइव कर जाएंगे. So it is not just about consumption, but consumption is a sum total of the state of your system. Not only state of your system, of your relationships. So consumption has a lot of factor that we explore during our program. And how immediately you start Kumbhak, you'll start getting benefited. But how much time will you be able to hit the rock in such a manner that it will break? Which hit will break it depends on the momentum of your system. IVF भी करवाओगे, सक्सेस रेट क्या है IVF का? Most of the time it is fail. आखिरकार fetus आपके अंदर ही आना है ना. Even if with IVF the fetus will be implanted in your uterus, आपके यूट्रस की होल्ड करने की क्षमता नहीं है तो कैसे होगा सक्सेस? Even if you want to make your IVF successful, this is something that you should be doing. अगर लाखों रुपए आपको गड्ढे में नहीं डालना है, सक्सेस बनाने के लिए आपको ये करना, अपने आप को, अपने यूट्रस को कम से कम इस लायक तो बनाना है that it is able to hold. What is कुंभक? It increases the strength of your hold. आपकी जीवन अगर सुधर जाता है, किसी चीज से सुधर जाता है, जमीन अगर हरी भरी हो जाती है, ऑर्गेनिक हो जाती है, वो उससे अच्छी डील और दूसरा ऑप्शन है नहीं एक्चुअली. आप खराबी कुछ भी करेंगे, यू विल डिस्ट्रॉय द सिस्टम. So even if you are taking medicine, how to ensure that you don't get into side effects more? Side effects से बचने के लिए कौन बचाएगा आपको? आपका शरीर ही बचाएगा. अगर ये इसके अंदर बल हैं, 6 बल होते हैं शरीर में, अगर वो स्ट्रेंथ है आपका तभी बचाएगा ना, है ना. कोरोना में जो रोड पे बच्चे थे उनको तो कोरोना नहीं होता था, जो रोड पे भिखारी मांगते, क्यों? कौन बचा रहा था उनको? क्योंकि उन्होंने, उनका रोबस्टनेस था. द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ देयर सिस्टम वाज एक्चुअली सेविंग देम. आपको भी अगर बचाना है तो कोई दवाई नहीं बचाने वाली आपको. लेट मी टेल यू, कोई दवाई नहीं बचाने वाली, यही बचाएगा. दिस इज मैजिक. यू सपोर्ट दिस एंड योर लाइफ विल ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉर गुड.